Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful bit of kit here. This is a Triumph Thunderbird, America spotlight bar. Okay, very simple, very thick, very well made in Europe. Okay, this is an optional relay kit that we do, which you can move this wherever you like. You know, you can have that around here, whatever. Would recommend a waterproof switch. These don't actually come with a waterproof switch, and I imagine this isn't, looking at it. But you could actually cling film the damn thing if you really wanted to. But you can obviously get a fully waterproof switch as well from a marine place. Now, this bar simply bolts on with the headlight bolts. You get new longer bolts. The lights are adjustable because they've got these things underneath. Okay, so you can adjust the angle of the lights as well. This is your standard. Well, not standard. It's not the shitty steel beam things you used to use years ago. This is actually your I believe it's H1 or H3, I forget which, always get mixed up. But basically, this is a halogen, fully, you know, proper beam pattern light, okay? This bulb can be swapped from an LED one. We actually do an LED conversion for that, very small bulb, but it's quite bright. If you want the ultimate in lighting, and this is like a Cree light, so you've got 3 of these lights. Very low current as well, because this is LED. I believe this is about 35 watt. But this will outshine anything, you know, and it'll get you noticed as well. So when you're on a bike, on a country road or in town, and the idiots are sort of dozing off in the cars or going to walk out with a phone smoking cannabis, you really need something to let them know you're coming, okay? Like I say, these lights, this is a flat back, ideal if you've got a screen on. Nice flat back. We do longer wires. You can also, we do braided cable, which is, it's like chrome braid. Okay, so it actually looks, I don't know if there's any on here. Yeah, it's like a smaller version of this, but it is actually plastic. And, you know, it will make your cables look like chrome, okay? But this is the other type of light. This is an FL light, or basically what the Harleys use on all their spot bars. You see, it's a real chunky, big-ass light. And you do need it if you're going to use my LED headlight inserts, okay? Because obviously they're a lot deeper than a normal one. But this is a cracking bit of kit, really is. We've sold lots of them. I mean, literally Australia, America, everywhere. The bars are made in Europe. They're not some Far East things, which we don't do, if you know me. These are made in Alfreton. These adapters that allow you to tilt the lights. If you're interested, give us a call. 01773835666. CustomCruisers.com. Or the new site, if it ever gets done, customcruisers.eu. But that is in euros, I'm afraid, that site. And it is not for UK, all right? But the new website coming very, very shortly, which will be a miracle because we'll be able to API stuff to it and you'll be able to see everything we really do, not just the stuff I've put on manually over a period of 20 years, okay? Give you an example, all this Kuriakin stuff in here is coming up for sale, billet pulleys, you know, wheels, pretty well everything. And you can see in here, a lot of this stuff will now be going on sale because we've had it a long time and it's all brilliant stuff. We don't do shit, if you know me, and give you an idea. Okay, give us a call if you want anything bike related. I'm your man. Adam's since I was 14. My dad as well, he's over 100 now. Rode a bike up to 79 before he got knocked off by an ethnic person, unfortunately, in a taxi, not concentrating what he was doing. But up to that point, was riding his bike. There's actually a woman on YouTube, 103, I think she is, still riding a Harley Davidson, a solo as well, not a chair. So respect to her and all. But if you want this gear, give us a call, 01773835666, or email sales@customcruisers.com. Like I say, these light bars are available for multiple bikes, not just Triumph. Thank you.